Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked accounts on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.